everyone, welcome back to my channel. Ooh, this is awkward because I'm right in the store, but I'm actually at Target right now because I'm going Christmas decor shopping. Super excited for this. I did this like about 2 years ago, I think, on my other channel, Sadrina Faith, but I feel like I can do better than that. So I'm going to go to multiple stores today and get a bunch of Christmas decor and then do a separate video where I actually decorate my room. Okay, so this is the dollar section and we see like mini little trees. These are really nice. Pretty good price for them too. I think I might get one of these because I have my boxed TV stand where I could put these things inside. That would look so cute actually. Oh, there's even more.
That's cute.
What the? So yeah guys, I'm definitely gonna look through some of these and see which one will look best in my room. Ooh, they have pink ones. What are these? Reindeer stuffies? I guess it's just there to stand. Ooh, not these. Look at this, guys. Remember this? This is kind of heavy. Oh yeah, we're also going Christmas decor shopping for the whole house, right? Yeah. We gotta find things that we want. I like these ones. These ones are really nice. Guys, I just found out that these light up. That makes this even cuter. And I want these even more. Look at that, so festive.
Guys, look at these down here. Are those Christmas trees or what are those? Table trees. They are table trees. Sabrina, maybe we should get this for our island.
We found some more fidgets here. You guys can get these for Christmas if you want.
You're too far away.
I see some blankets here. We can get a blanket for the couch. Throw a blanket. It has like presents on it, Christmas tree. Super duper cute. You don't like this one?
I don't know. How much is it?
We'll scan the price right here. 10 bucks.
That's not bad.
Yeah, it's not. There's other designs as well.
Look at this. I like this red.
It's a brighter red.
What is that?
Let's see. This one has lines and this one has
it's more neutral.
Snowflakes. We've decided to go with this one. It's just red with a bunch of white lines on it because you can use this even in another season that's not Christmas. So it's kind of neutral a little bit, but still works.
Okay, let's see if she makes it.
Yeah.
What? And she never played basketball in high school.
But I have a brother who plays, so I kind of, you know, gotta soak up some of the abilities.
Okay.
Looking for placemats. Guys, we're also going to be decorating on the Peach Fam channel, so check that out when it comes out. I already see the Christmas pillows here. This one's cute. I kind of like this. Ooh, should we get that one to match the blanket? This one's 10 bucks.
You gotta be able to use it.
For this small throw pillow, I'm gonna get myself a white comforter here because, you know, the purple that I have right now is not going to work. And I've just been needing a new white comforter, so let's add that into the cart. Alright everyone, I smelled the candles for fall, so I'm gonna smell the ones for Christmas as well. We have balsam fir. Not bad. Okay. Christmas cheer. That smells like cinnamony. Not my fave, but it's okay. Ooh, this one's big. Forest fir. This smells like a manly kind of candle. Kind of want to see this one. Merry and bright. It's not get. This smells like something I've smelled before, but I don't know. I don't think it's for me, but it's okay. I have hit the ultimate Christmas decor section. Look at all the pillows behind me right now. They have a lot of cute stuff. I'm not even going to lie. I kind of want to get all of this, but their pillows are like from $10 to $30, and I feel like that's just overpriced. It's too much, Target. All I'm trying to do is decorate my room, and I could get it, but I'm going to be thinking about how I spent $30 on one pillow. One pillow. TJ Maxx. Look at the Christmas decor. I see a wreath and a jumbo Christmas tree. Look how cute that is. Ooh, I was looking for an advent calendar at Target, but I couldn't find it. They're like sold out, but there's one here at TJ Maxx. I can already see all of the Christmas decor here. Oh yeah. Ooh, even ornaments. Look at that.
This is cute.
I know you'd like these. This kind of matches the pillows too. I know I didn't get a basket. I want a globe, and I usually never get globes, but I just want something a little bit different. So what kind of vibe should I go for? Snowman, Christmas tree. Super cute. This one's big. Ooh, too big. Which one do you guys think I should go with?
It's even cheaper
Than the one at Target?
I might And they have more variations here.
Cute.
Like, look at that. $14.99.
That's nice. Everyone, let's just hope together that these pillows are cheaper than the ones that are at Target, because we need some throw pillows. So these ones would look great in the living room. And look, it actually says chop me, and we like to do that. We chop, chop to get the nice shape. I don't know how much this is though. $24.99 for two. Look at this one, Merry Christmas. Originally $68, but now $64.99. Wait, what am I saying? Now it's $24.99. Still kind of a lot.
They have these gray here. These are cheaper, $19.99.
You think gray will go?
It's like
neutral
silver
kind of thing. Ooh, why is it so zoomed in? Anyways, we left TJ Maxx because the prices are literally the same as Target. I don't know why the pills are so expensive, but guess where we are now? Maybe you guys will be able to tell if I turn it this way. Now we're at Ross. Hopefully we can find some kind of more affordable. Well, I mean, we can afford the other ones, but nobody wants to spend $30 on a pillow. So we're gonna see if we can find cheaper pillows here at Ross. You see already? Ooh, I kind of like this one. Not Santa's coming. Never mind. That one might go, because I'm not going for just like red and white. I also want different colors. This one says Noel, $10.99. Okay, kind of like Target a little bit, I'm not gonna lie, but somebody coughing. Why are they all like 10 bucks? Is it just me, or kind of feel like pillows are supposed to be like $5? Maybe I'm just being too cheap with it, because I thought they were going to be a lot cheaper. Well, we found another white comforter here for like $4 cheaper than Target had it, so we think we're gonna get it. I found some more Christmas pillows, and look at this, Merry and Bright. This is like the Santa's coming one that I saw, but with a different message that I like better. So how much is this? $12.99. You know what, I'm just gonna get it. I think it's good. Merry and Bright, super cute, and I think it's gonna match with the rest of the stuff for my room. What does this one say? Not ho ho ho. Look at this, it's not just a pillow. You get to move the nose around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you keep moving it up until 25. So it's the days of Christmas, or December, I should say.
You should get that one.
December 1st, 2nd, 3rd, all the way to the 25th. That's kind of cool.
How much is that one?
Oh, $6.49.
You should get that one then. It's cute.
Perfect. I was just asking for the garlands, and they're right here. Got red, white and green, white and red, and a bunch of different colors in this one. Ooh, that's a candle. I think I'm gonna do this one, red and white. It gives a little bit of a candy cane vibe. And for the rest of the house, should we do red, just plain red like this?
I don't know, that's a good question.
Well, we'll figure it out, and check out the Peach Fam once we do our decorating our house video to see which one we pick. Wreaths, we definitely have to get some wreaths for the house. I kind of like this one. This one's more of my vibe, I guess, that I'm going for this year. But I think for the house, we need something like greenish red. Maybe something like this, $24.99. Wreaths are actually a lot more expensive than I thought they would be. Another Christmas countdown. These are actually fun. 25 days till Christmas. I want to get my own like white mini Christmas tree. And what do you guys think about these light blue ornaments? But that one has more color. Yeah, that's more variety. So yeah, these are cute. It's a little open though, so we're gonna see if we can find another one of these, but I'm not sure. We'll see. Is that why it's on sale? Because it's open a little bit. Someone wanted to get a peek. Wow, look how much we filled this small cart up. It's so tired. It's like, help me, help. Well, I don't know, Ross just seems like it had everything that we wanted, but there's one more store that we want to go to, or maybe two. Guys, my mom is so excited over all of these little ornaments.
Definitely get these. These are so cute.
I cannot. That small tree that I end up getting is gonna be so doggone overwhelmed with everything. Why is it so bright? Anyways.
It has all the colors in your room.
Whew, look at that, and we're not even done. Alright, I'm at Dollar Tree and I'm just trying to see what they're gonna offer here. Oh, they have some more garlands. 9 feet. They're smaller, but they have different colors.
I know.
I saw another girl going Christmas room decor shopping and she got these. I'm kind of thinking about getting some for my room just to spice it up a little. The gingerbread man is cute. And the penguin. I really like this ornament. I think it's cute. Ooh, I grabbed 2. Maybe I should get 2 and put it on each side of my room. You know, Dollar Tree always comes through with the Christmas candy. I'm not gonna lie, I have to use the bathroom so bad, but I really want to get this Christmas shopping done, so we're just gonna have to hustle and work through it. Let me stop before I get kicked out of here. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Ooh. Holidays. Last store of the day. Look how pretty this section is. Perfect. Okay, so there's this small silver tree for 23 bucks. This is more of the shape that I'm looking for. I don't know what I should go with. This one's 27. It's not white. What the heck? How much are these pillows? $5.99? Wait a minute. Maybe I need to return the other ones I got. What the heck? These are cute too. Jingle all the way. Alright, so I think I found the perfect one that I'm looking for. It's a 4-foot pre-lit, which is great. I don't have to buy lights to go with it. Pre-lit Indiana spruce. So I'm getting this. 30 bucks. I'm seeing some winter/Christmas themed squishmallows here. They're so comfy and big. This one's really cute. Should we get this? It's 30 bucks.
You guys can get it for Christmas. Put it on your list. It's at Walmart.
Alright everyone, as you can see, I am back home and I am so tired. It has definitely been a day with all of this Christmas decor shopping. We what the heck? Left the house at 11 and came back at, what time is it? Like 4:30ish. We've been out for 5 hours, but it's all gonna be worth it. It's all gonna be worth it. Stay tuned for a haul where I'll show you guys all of the different Christmas decorations that I got today. Super excited for that one. And after that video, stay tuned for when I decorate my actual room with all the Christmas decor. And that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you already know what to do. Please make sure to give it a big giant thumbs up, subscribe down below, share this video, hit that notification bell, and do not forget to check out my Instagram and my TikTok, both at Peachy Queen Official. And I will see you all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.